Hi kiddos, welcome back. So this week, non-fiction book, we're gonna look at this together. Animal Disguises. The author is Emma Ryan. Okay, let's look and see together what animals, need to have these abilities because maybe they're small, right? Or because they're prey, so they need to have these to protect them from predators. All right. Did you know some animals like hide and seek? Chameleons, like this one, use camouflage to blend into their surroundings and disguise themselves. Camouflage helps keep animals safe from predators. What other animals use camouflage? Arctic hares have a thick layer of fur to keep them warm in cold temperatures. Their fur changes color from brown during the summer to bright white during the winter. The change helps them hide from predators like wolves and foxes and in the ice and snow. Okay, so read the yellow label. It says, "Can you spot the hare?" Okay, and then later on we will check the answer on page 32. Barn owls can be found almost anywhere in the world. They have white, heart-shaped faces, spotted chests, and light brown feathers on the back and wings. These feathers are perfect camouflage against the barn and tree trunks where they usually live. All right. Instead of blending in, owl butterflies disguises make them easier to see. Owl butterflies have an animal looking eye spot on each wing. Looking like a large animal helps keep them safe by frightening away predators. They are mostly found in the Amazon rainforest. Did you see that leaf move? Look closely. It's actually a leaf insect. These tiny creatures live mainly in the jungles of Southeast Asia. They are well hidden, standing still or moving, since their walk looks like a leaf blowing in the wind. The Malaysian orchid mantis might be beautiful, but can also be deadly. Looking like a flower helps the mantis catch and eat other insects, by tricking them into coming closer. Its legs look like petals, and it will flatten its body out when threatened to look even more like an orchid. Okay, the stick insect is almost impossible to see among the twigs where it lives. They can be found in tropical areas and are usually green or brown in color. Can you spot it? We'll check your answer. Okay. Who spies on flies? Frogs. Frogs also use camouflage to hide from danger. Gray tree frogs look a lot like the tree trunks they hang out on. Green frogs can easily hide among trees, leaves, and swamps without being seen. That's the tree frog. That is the regular green frogs. Okay. Pygmy seahorses are tiny creatures that rarely grow more than 1 inch long. They can be different colors and found in Pacific Ocean. Their camouflage works so well, they were only discovered after the coral they live on was taken to an aquarium. Can you spot a seahorse? Leafy sea dragons live in the ocean off of Australia and are experts at hide and seek. They are usually yellow, green, or brown in color and are able to float among seaweed and kelp undetected. Wow. Oh, is it this one? Is it this one? Probably, huh? The mimic octopus could be called a secret agent of the sea. It has the ability to look like eels, sea snakes, rays, and jellyfish. Scientists think this sea creature changes its appearance depending on what type of predator is trying to, or what kind of predator it's trying to hide from. Interesting. Stingrays are usually found in shallow water. They like to hang out on the seafloor, partially buried in the sand. Their coloring and flat bodies help them hide from predators and find food like shrimp, fish, and worms without being seen. Watch out for the scorpion fish. They are carnivores that eat other fish to survive, and their fins are poisonous. Some species are sandy in color, but others are colorful and bend into the surrounding coral. Cuttlefish have small structures filled with colored ink that form different patterns and textures that make them look like a coral or algae. The ink helps them hide from predators and can be used to attack creatures to get close. Oh, no, sorry. To attack creatures that get too close. All right. The decorator crab is a master of disguise. This tricky crustacean attaches other sea creatures like algae, anemones, and sponges to its body as camouflage. Can you spot it? I think I see it. Do you see it? Here. Okay. Copperhead snake are responsible for the largest number of snake bites per year in the United States because they're so good at hiding. These poisonous snakes have patterned scales in shades of brown. They can be found almost anywhere and like to hide among rocks, dried leaves, wood piles, and in gardens. You might not think the king of the jungle needs to hide from anyone, but lions use camouflage to help them hunt and catch their prey. Their light brown fur easily blends into the stalks of grass while they hunt for food. All right, and then there's the glossary, and then look at these pictures. Did you actually find the hair and then the stick? That's the stick insect, right? There it is. All right, kiddos. Thank you for joining me. I will see you next time. Bye.